In this video, we'll show how you can export underground mine data from TBC and download it for use in the field or underground via Trimble Connect. This eliminates the need for physical field books and enhances mine data safety. So here we have our underground mine plan, and as a surveyor, one of the first things you would want to do is to check if you have enough control to use for your work underground. And you'd also want to make sure that your pegs are on the correct coordinate system before you head to the field. Once all is good, you can export the file via Trimble Connect. So you save the file as a DXF file, and you can edit the name to give it the correct name for the working area that you'll be working in. In Trimble Connect, you can navigate to the correct folder that you want to work in and save the file. Once that is done, you can access the file in Trimble Access. So again, you navigate to the correct folder, which is level 18 Mine Designs. Open it and create a new job. So because we are working on the 18th level of the mine, we will give it the name 18 level development. Add a new layer and navigate to Trimble Connect to access the DXF file that we saved earlier on. Download the file and select the file to make it visible or active. Once that is done, you now have your map file in Trimble Access, and you can view coordinate information for the control points that you want to use by clicking the points in the map file, or you can also navigate to the point manager where you can have a complete view of all your control points.